Hello everyone, hope you all are well. So, day 2 of SBI PO prelims is over now, and I hope that your examination also went well. My exam was on the second day, that is today, and in the second shift. I could only attempt 56 questions overall, and in English section I attempted 23 questions, in quant I attempted only 18 questions, and in reasoning I attempted 15 questions only. English section was not that difficult, honestly speaking. It was very much doable, and in English I think my attempts are decent. Quant was a bit tricky for me at least, and I could attempt 6 simplification questions, 5 to 6 quadratic equation, 3 DI questions, and 3 to 4 arithmetic questions. Overall 18 questions in quant, which I attempted. DIs did not work for me, don't know why. I was stuck in one DI, wasted so much time, and then moved to another DI, and there also I could attempt only 3 questions. So overall it was not good. And then comes the last section, reasoning, which is my favorite section among all, but it might be my overconfidence that I could attempt only 15 questions in this section. Even I could not solve 2 direction distance question. I don't know what happened. In reasoning I did only 1 unknown number sitting arrangement, 2 miscellaneous questions, 5 syllogisms, 3 inequality questions. Also there were other questions like one birth year based puzzle, one flattened floor based puzzle, but I could not solve that. Also I wasted so much time on them. So I made a blunder in reasoning, and I am very much aware of that. But what is done is, many of you I know many of you have faced the same situation today. So as an aspirant I will say that never lose hope, as I am not losing hope. There will be more opportunities in future, and you must grab them. And those who want to know the predicted cutoffs, then I can say that it should not go beyond 65. From my experience I can say that, but only time will reveal what is going to happen. So start preparing for mains if you think that you can clear the prelims. And yes, that is it for the video. I just wanted to share my attempts with you all, and I just wanted to give an analysis of second day of SBI PO prelims examination, and all the best for those who are going to appear in on 27th of November for the third day of SBI PO prelims. So best of luck for them. And yeah, that is it for the video. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.